Hello everyone, this is Sherry R from ExtremeTraders.Net. The date is November 27th, 2015, and the time is 2:02 a.m. Eastern Time. Today I will be showing you guys another one of our long-term trades. But before I started, I just wanted to give a brief introduction about the software we use at ExtremeTraders.Net. So the software is called the Z-Trade platform, and I like to call it Z-Trade. So Z-Trade itself is a very complex system. It was developed by Black Systems over the course of several years, and unlike other systems that use technical analysis and other strategies that fail, Z-Trade uses very advanced mathematics and artificial intelligence. It uses advanced algorithms, neural nets, fractals, and even chaos theory to predict the most minuscule to the largest cycles way in advance. And it helps our traders trade at a very extreme level, unlike other traders that trade Forex. So as you guys can see on the screen, our software did enter on six currencies. It entered on the Euro USD, the Swedish krona, the Czech krona, the Danish kroner, the Canadian dollar, and it also entered on the British pound. But for whatever reason, the chart isn't picking up our entry, but it's in a short right now. So and it's currently positive. The US dollar, the euro is also positive, and the Danish kroner is also positive. The Swedish krona, the Czech krona, and the Canadian dollar are facing a drawdown, and the one with the largest drawdown is the Canadian dollar, which is still under 15 pips. And when it comes to long-term trades, 15 pips is still a very minuscule amount as compared to the large profits that you will make. And just on a quick note, all these entries are done off one contract. So for example, if the euro goes $400 positive off one contract, that would be 40 pips. Or if the Canadian dollar is facing a drawdown of, let's say, 15 pips, it would be $150 negative. So as you guys have seen from our previous videos, our trades do go positive, and we're usually in the right direction, and we do win a lot. But if you do have doubts, you guys can always chart our trades. These are 15-minute bars on the charts, and the timestamps are up on top, and you guys can definitely track our trade and see for yourself how we perform. So we will leave these trades since they're long term and check back up on them in a while and see how they performed. So we did see some nice market movement in the past couple of hours. The Euro USD is up over $500, which equals to about over 50 pips. The Czech krona is up over 10,000 Czech dollars, which equals to over 400 US dollars. The Danish kroner is up over 3,500 Danish dollars, which is well over 500 US dollars. The British pound is also positive. It's positive about 54 pips, which is over 500 US dollars. And if you guys can probably see our entry right on top. For whatever reason, it's not displaying on the chart. It's displaying up on top. The Swedish krona, however, didn't really get much movement. It's still around the same price. It's going positive and negative here and there, but it's still holding long. So our software is predicting the market to rise for that pair. The only pair which is currently facing a large drawdown is the Canadian dollar pair. It's facing a drawdown of about 30 pips, but our software is still holding the short, and it's predicting the market to fall. So we will continue holding this trade and see what the outcome is. So I just wanted to point out how powerful the Z-Trade software itself is. If you guys look at the Euro USD pair, there was a big trend down, and right after the trend there was a significant cycle up, but our software held through that cycle and the market continued to fall, and it's still holding a short, so it's predicting the market to fall further and go even more positive than the $500 it is positive right now. Same thing with the Czech krona pair and the Danish krona pair. Both had a large trend up and a significant cycle down, but our software did hold through that cycle down, and now they're positive again. So it was predicting the market to rise, and it's still holding long for both of those pairs. So it's predicting the market to rise further. So at this point, the traders would implement their money management techniques, either drop limit stops or, according to the system itself, close their trades. So this concludes our video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch our other videos too, and make sure to sign up for our signals at ExtremeTraders.Net.